Here's information on calculating high voltage fuse link amperage for transformer protection. To determine the appropriate high voltage fuse link size, consider the transformer's capacity and the system's operating parameters. A key formula for approximating the high voltage fuse link current is as follows: high voltage fuse link current measured in amps equals transformer capacity measured in kilovolt amps times the load factor divided by high voltage system voltage measured in kilovolts times 1.35 times the safety factor. Let's break down the components of this formula. Transformer capacity represents the transformer's rated power handling capability. The load factor accounts for the expected average loading of the transformer. High voltage system voltage is the nominal voltage of the high voltage distribution system to which the transformer is connected. 1.35 is a constant that incorporates correction factors. The safety factor is a multiplier to accommodate uncertainties in loading and potential overload conditions, typically ranging from 1.25 to 1.5. As an example, suppose you have a transformer with a capacity of 1000 kilovolt amps. The anticipated load factor is 0.8. The high voltage system voltage is 13.8 kilovolts, and the chosen safety factor is 1.35. Applying the formula, high voltage fuse link current equals 1000 kilovolt amps times 0.8 divided by 13.8 kilovolts times 1.35. Calculating this yields approximately 48.15 amps. Consequently, the high voltage fuse link should be selected with a rating close to, but not lower than, 48.15 amps. Always round up to the nearest standard fuse size to ensure adequate protection. It is important to remember that this calculation provides a guideline. The final fuse selection must consider the specific characteristics of the transformer, the coordination requirements of the protective devices within the system, and compliance with applicable standards and local electrical codes. Consult fuse manufacturer specifications and relevant regulations for proper and safe fuse link selection.